YouTube is the #1 video sharing site. More than 53% of web traffic comes from YouTube. You can create your own YouTube channel. And YouTube enjoys over 1 billion views per day. It's the preferred way to receive information. One of the most popular methods of selling products today is using video sales letters. Creating videos. It's best to create short videos of 1 to 2 minutes. People today have a very short attention span. Definitely you want to keep your video below 10 minutes. You can create your video by using a slideshow. You can create a video by using screen capture. You can use a software called Animoto. Or you can use resale rights videos. Your video content. It should always be entertaining. It's important to be yourself, to be real and show your personality. People will trust you, relate to you, and your videos will get a better response. Start by talking about the benefits. Always make sure that your videos have a call to action. How can you create your videos? What equipment do you need? A slideshow software, for example, Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Publisher. ScreenFlow if you're using a Mac. Screen capture software, for example, Cam Studio, it's a free software. Camtasia, there is a 30-day free trial. The Jing project, it's free, but your videos can't be any longer than 5 minutes. Or Flipcam. You'll need a good microphone. Your YouTube channel. Add your favorite videos. This way, you don't have to upload much initially. Plus, they'll seem as though they're your videos. Make your channel seem active and popular. Subscribe to other related channels in your niche. How can you get viewers? Well, first, if your videos provide value and entertainment, make sure that you interact with other YouTube users. Leave comments on their videos. Make videos on hot topics in your niche. To find them, use Google Trends and Google Alerts. It's important never to be boring in your videos. You can automatically build a following using tubetoolbox.com. It's a way of sending out mass subscriber and friend requests. Get involved and stay social. You can make video responses to other popular videos. This will get you more exposure. You can also rate videos. People will often return the favor to you, so the higher your ratings, the more exposure you get. Join in other YouTube groups. Commenting, even though backlinks are no follow, will increase your ranking within YouTube. Send out friend requests through YouTube. Remember to be controversial and entertaining at the same time. Here are a few tips and tricks. Remember, use video responses to popular videos. Your response will be before the comments, and people will notice them. You can borrow or steal the titles and tags of other popular videos. What happens when your video is posted with those tags and titles? Well, when people search for the other tags and titles, your video will also show up in the results. You can turn your videos into podcasts and submit those to dozens of directories. Distributing your videos. You can use a service called TubeMogul. It's free. Or you can use a paid service like Traffic Geyser. These will generate social bookmarks. This will turn videos into podcasts and will submit to more than 100 websites. You can distribute your videos within your other social networking site.